It literally is to the point where it's almost scary how fast it drills.
We could push and plunge drills quicker than we ever have. So drilling cycles have been cut in half, tapping cycles as well.
We know that the FlexCNC is great for drilling, and we remember when years ago the FlexCNC was known as the Flex Drill. But with innovation and major advancements in technology, it has evolved into so much more than just a drilling machine. Built for performance and accuracy, the FlexCNC tackles a wide range of milling operations with ease. Whether you're profiling, slotting, pocketing, or face milling, it delivers the accuracy and reliability needed for even the most demanding jobs. The FlexCNC has the versatility and capabilities to be your go-to machine in the shop for a wide range of machining operations. With a spacious work area and intuitive controls, it streamlines workflows, minimizes downtime, maximizes efficiency, and maximizes spindle uptime. Versatile, powerful, and built to perform. This is FlexCNC.